So you know what? I actually decided to disassemble this thing. And why? Well, here's the problem. I mean, to mount this thing, right? You need to unscrew these 4 screws. So, but when you remove those screws, they're actually not long enough for this thing to be installed properly. Alright? Because now they won't reach. So I got 4 of these. And by the way, one is what the anyway, right? And when I try to screw this thing in, I mean, take a look how this screw is actually like way bigger. And when I try to screw it in, this is the limit. So this thing wobbles. So I want to know what's like, what does this screw into, right? So you know what? Let's disassemble the entire machine. So all of the screws are of the same size. So I think that this is it. So let's try to open it. Okay, this is surprisingly easy to open. The quality of this thing, I mean, it's not great, not terrible, right? Okay, this is like partially made of wood. Oh wow! What? This is just a piece of wood. Oh wow! Oh boy! Oh wow! Oh wow! What the? These screw into the wood. What are these contacts? What lights? What? Okay, so oh wow. I mean, I don't know how the original is made, but this is oh wow. I can tell you right away, this thing is not like $150 worth of. Oh wow. Oh, I mean, what? This is just a board, and these contacts are like for like keyboards. Oh boy. Let's see what's inside. I just need to remember where the screws go. I mean, the production value of this thing is like 10 euros, maybe 15. Oh wow. Oh wow. No wonder everything sounds shitty. This is the speaker. So I'm not quite sure how the original is made, but this is oh wow. This is a piece of shit. I'm sorry, but it is. Okay, let me just screw this thing in. Okay. Oh wow. Nope. It has like one 800, 650 battery, and that is it. I mean, there is nothing more to say. This is oh wow. So basically these are the LEDs. I don't know whether you can see them or not. Yeah. So somebody I mean, at least the version without Bluetooth has like those, you know, like more LEDs, so it tells you where to hit. This one just like blinks, and there are like 5 instead of 6. The original, the first one I opened has like 6 points to hit, you know. I mean, the quality of this thing is actually decent, but everything else, oh wow. Oh, and by the way, yeah, you can actually fuck yourself up with this thing. Oh wow. Okay, so if you like this video, please click thumbs up. If you did not, you know what to do, and until the next time, I guess. Yeah, this yeah, don't buy it. The value of this thing is, if they made it for 15 bucks, the value of this thing is 30 at best. Even the shitty one at least has 6 hitting points, and you know, LEDs to guide you. This one does not. So, oh wow. Yeah.